Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan and today I'm back with another video and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys could cop the Lebron 8 South Beach 2021 edition. As you guys know, these have released previously and this is a retro version that we now have coming up this year in a couple days, and it's mainly going to be releasing on Snkrs. There's a couple raffles, some other ways you can get it, so I'll really be explaining how you guys could do that and everything to it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, you see everything on the screen, so you can subscribe and like down below. I'd appreciate that. No like goal in the video, just as many as possible. That helps the channel get out there. And if you want to check my Instagrams, join my Discord, all that is down there. You know, we got a lot of people that are talking in the Discord. Shout out to everybody that's always active there and like, you know, talking. I know there's just one guy, like there's a couple nicknames, like someone like Sideshow Bob, and then like there's a few of the people. A lot of people change their Discord usernames pretty often. Yeah, shout out everybody that chats there. I do view the chats, you know what I mean. So I'm active sometimes, you know, if you're there, you know. But yeah, let's just kind of hop into it. I'm discussing that for too long. So first things first, the Lebron 8 South Beach. Looking at this release right here and kind of the first thing of it, we were gonna go over the date. So dropping on July 21st, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Don't forget, if you are on the West Coast, it's not going to be Eastern time, so you know, make sure you see what time this shoe will be dropping for you, because it will probably be 3 hours earlier, so you're going to have to get up, or wherever you're at. Just if you're not on Eastern time, you want to make sure you check where the shoe is dropping. And this could be US only, but I'm pretty sure it's restocking globally on Snkrs for $200. And you don't even have to ask me if these are profitable. They're 100% profitable. I mean, of course, when you retro a shoe that's super valuable and you know, very well known, of course, you know, you're going to get some sort of good resale on it. Not to mention that this release has actually been pushed back. It was supposed to release earlier, but it's been pushed back. So some people already got pairs, and markets look like it's settled pretty well at where it's at. But I know a lot of people that just want to get the shoe to wear. Totally agree with it. It's a dope shoe. Really like it. I mean, I couldn't personally rock it. You know, I think it'd be a little bit out there for me, and I'd have to find a pretty interesting fit. So maybe I could, but just not my taste. But I know the shoe's dope, so I'm not going to, criticize, critique, nothing. But yeah, this is also only dropping in adult sizes. No grade school, no nothing. Of course, you got the LeBron signature right there. If I'm correct, I just want to make sure I'm right. You know, people were on me yesterday when I got a signature wrong on the back of Kobe's, because they were Bruce Lee alternates. So since it was a Kobe and Bruce Lee collab, I was like, oh, maybe this is one of Bruce Lee's signatures, even though, you know, Kobe does, you know, sign every pair. I mean, not literally sign every pair, but his signature is on every pair of Kobe's. And man, people were on me about that, or just a couple people, and I was just like, oh, y'all must be the biggest Kobe fans. Just some random people, man. I don't even know. But aside from that, and kind of getting back into it, reliving back in, we'll kind of just go over the design real quick. You know, you got the pink laces. It's the same as really the old one. Nothing really new, but yeah, it's just coming out this year. So I really like when they bring back something a little bit older, not like something from like the 90s or something like that, but you know, kind of earlier, you know, 2000s, 2010s, around that period of time. So yeah, we'll just kind of hop into resale right now if that is what you want to get this shoe for. So we'll kind of discuss that. So looking at all sizes, StockX completely changed up their format here, and I just want to let StockX know, I don't know what you're doing. This is whack. Should have kept it at what it was. But I do like this, I mean, I guess a little bit. It is a little bit more organized, so I can respect that. But looking at this and kind of the resale on these sizes right now, when you go look at sizes kind of 8.5, or let's just say size 8 through 10, you know, you kind of get a resale range. I mean, it kind of starts going up once you get to those bigger sizes. So under like a size 9, you know, the resale's under $300. But right now, for anything above a 9.5, it looks like it's going to be staying above $300 for now, especially those size 12, that's 11.5. I mean, people are paying the high, it seems like, around, you know, $340. I mean, it has been staying too, like it has been dropping as we get closer to the release. And this shoe is a good hold for anybody asking me. Of course, this shoe is. I mean, the only reason that it wouldn't be is because, you know, there's a version that already looks exactly like it, so it just might not rise much. But and the market, I mean, the sneaker market is down, as I've mentioned. I mean, the shoes are selling already at high prices, so they can't rise much more. So this one might take a bit, but the demand will be there. So I mean, I think I might get a pair or two, see what I can do with them. But I know a lot of people will probably just try and get them to rock them, so I'll probably let those people, you know, do what they do. But yeah, my resale estimation on this shoe for any size, like under a size 9, I think the resale is probably going to drop to around $260, $290. And then I think for anything above a size 9, so like 9.5 plus, I think resale will kind of be around the range of $285 to $340. And I will put a plus in that $340 because I do think that these bigger sizes, I do think people could start holding market high on these ones and, you know, keep them at like you know, 350, 360, 370, wherever they want to keep them at, just because, you know, people are going to be wanting to buy these, especially on release day. People are going to be, you know, going hard for these, especially since it's mainly a sneakers exclusive release. So of course somebody will be cooking up with their sneakers bot, but I mean, sneakers is pretty much random. So most of what we know, there's a few ways you can help and, you know, increase your chances. And actually, we'll get into that right now. I wanted to discuss, so after, you know, the resell and all that right there, I want to discuss how you guys could actually increase your chances of copying this release off the Snkrs app. Now, while it is mainly random, there's a couple ways you can increase your chances of copying. So I'm going to be linking these two videos down below. This video right here, if you haven't watched it already, I'm sure if you've been here on the channel, you've watched these videos before. This one shows you how you guys can make multiple accounts on the channel, or not on the channel, but on the app. So basically, you know, instead of having one account going for a drop, you could have 5 accounts, which would increase your chances, but having more accounts can decrease your chances of getting exclusive access. So maybe get some proxies going so Snkrs doesn't know that you have multiple accounts. When I was using proxies, I was hitting way more in Snkrs. So I need to get back to that because those proxies, they were helpful. So I definitely need to do that again. I feel like Snkrs knows I have these 2 accounts, so I might need to make some new ones again too. But this one right here also, I recently made this July 1st. You guys have been showing a ton of love to this, so thank you. And this video right here just kind of shows you some tips and tricks you can use on the app. You know, for the recent app, it's just been, or not the recent app, but pretty much what's been going on is just only draws recently. So this kind of explains, you know, some tips that you can help you hit more often on those draws and kind of increase your chances. So those will both be in the description if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, I'd appreciate that. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below. I'll be there to answer them eventually. Just give me a little bit of time. And then also, want to give a usual shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce as always. They are a $60 monthly fee, and I just want to make sure you guys know this about Secret Sauce. Make sure you take advantage of everything in the chat. That's the main thing you want to do. There's lots of helpful resources, and also in terms of resell, if you're just trying to make money off this chat, then make sure you take advantage of all the different resell things that they have. They got resell, you know, on Pokemon cards, like random items. Just stay tuned for all that in the chat, and make sure you're taking advantage of everything and every way that you can make money, because I know definitely it's a profitable chat just as long as you take advantage of it. And one way they could actually help you cop sneaker releases, they actually just caught me a pair of the Electra Oranges. Sadly, they're bricks, but I did make like 12 bucks 12 bucks reselling them. So I mean, that helps, you know, if you do all the, you know, add it up over time, you know, if they get you more profitable releases. They've helped me hit a much more profitable releases before, like foam runners and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, I entered in just one of their free tickets, didn't cost me anything, didn't have to pay anybody for it. Yeah, you know, they caught me. All my info's safe. So how it would really work is once you're in the chat and you're kind of in that ticket section and you see maybe that they're about to drop some tickets going on, like in their announcements of like, yo, we're about to drop tickets for this, or, you know, there's just something going on where, you know, they actually have already dropped them, then basically you're just in that ticket section and you go click on the ticket that they've entered in. Not the ticket they've entered in, I'm messing up a lot here, but the ticket that they've placed right there, and you can just click in it and it'll kind of take you to the site, and on the site it shows you all the paid and free slots that they got going on. So people that can actually run bots for you that you'd pay a fee after if they copy an item, and then also some slots that, you know, just some of the main people run that are free that you can enter in. And they have tickets for, you know, the US and EU and different places over the globe. But then if you just enter in one of the free tickets, then if they copy an item, you don't have to pay them anything after it. You just get it for, you know, the retail price. And that's actually really dope. They've copied me plenty of items like that. One of those general kind of bigger releases that's dropping on FOOTSITES or something like that. You know, they're pretty good at copying me stuff on Foot Locker. That's the usual place they go to for me, or Finish Line. So shout out them. If you're interested in getting into this chat, just send them a message on Twitter. Be like, yo, Tristan sent me. How can I get in? And that's all you really got to do right there. And if you're confused about anything, just leave it in the comments. I know I was messing up a few times there, so you can just leave any questions down below. Or, you know, if they don't message you back on Twitter, just wait till they drop invites on their Instagram, and yeah, just you can get in that way, and that's how you guys could do it. So shout out them as always, and they'll be there in the description. So, you know, we're gonna keep working together, and hopefully it will be helpful for you guys, because we definitely want to do some more stuff in the future. So just stay tuned for that. I'd love to be maybe doing a giveaway or something with them. I think that'd be dope. But so yeah, and also the success. I mean, you can see there's people copping, man, and like look at that. I mean, yeah, someone got. There you go. So there you go. You know what I mean? Like people are copping. So yeah, also going to be linking these down below, this Raffles Snkrs article, and there's no FOOTSITES having this release. I checked Sneaker News, no FOOTSITES. I checked House of Heat, no FOOTSITES. So pretty much how you're gonna have to get this release will be through a raffle or on Snkrs directly. So this will be there in the description. Most raffles are already closed. That's what I'm saying. People already have their pairs in hand. And make sure you're checking your local areas, not like local sneaker resale stores, but like your sneaker retail stores. Do you have any in the area? And just be checking, you know, those like Foot Locker apps. See if Foot Locker's doing anything for like a store only drop. I think there's something going on, not in my area, but I see Foot Locker's doing some sort of store only drop for this release. And I think Finish Line, maybe Hibbett are also. Just stay tuned for that. All those places are connected, like East Bay, Champs, Foot Locker, Finish, like all those places are connected, so just know that. And yeah, this will be in the description. So that's really everything I need to say, and how you guys could cop the LeBron 8 South Beach for retail, or at least a way you could increase your chances, because you know sneakers is difficult, we all understand it, but hopefully it'll bless a few of us. So yeah, just we'll kind of hop into the outro. If you guys want more content like this, just feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'm always making how to cops, so you know, no like goal, no nothing, just as many as possible. Helps the channel get out there. Road to 50K, of course. We got a giveaway coming then. You guys have been showing a ton of love over these last couple of days, like gaining like 100 subs a day, which is crazy. So thank you guys. If we stay at that rate, then the 50K giveaway will be, I mean, shoot, yeah, we'd be pretty close to hitting 50K before the end of August, which I did not expect that. But yeah, if you guys want that giveaway that badly, we'll make it dope. So that's really everything that needs to be said right there. Check my Instagrams, Discord. They're all down there if you want to check them out. Feel free. Yeah, you know, I got a lot of stuff I got to do today. I got to go pick up some shoes, so maybe be filming a sneaker unboxing too. So yeah, that's all I need to say. So ending this, I'm Tristan. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your constant support. And yeah, that's enough said. Peace.